Morning, folks. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. Whichever times when you're watching this on. Thoroughly appreciate you coming back again for another 10 minutes of your life. Is it worth it? We don't know. By the end of the video, you will know. I'm more than likely you're going to put in the comments. Anyways, we're going to discuss Ravel Morrison. Why Ravel Morrison? Because I did a video recently speaking about Steve McClaren's system and how his CDM or how he wants his CDM to play. And a lot of person have mentioned the Ravel Morrison dilemma, or should I say, the Ravel Morrison issue with the Reggae Boyz, or issue with the team, or is the Ravel Morrison absentee. All these type of things have been popped up surrounding Ravel Morrison. So few of the people ask the questions. You know what, MG, what's your thoughts on the Ravel Morrison situation? Do you think Ravel Morrison can come and deliver what Steve McClaren want from a CDM? And even from that question, quite a few people said that he's not a CDM. It's not good enough. He hasn't played he actually hadn't played competitive football in about 2 years. He can't keep a club. So if he can't keep a club, why we need to keep him? What else? We should try and make him play in the Jamaica Premier League. So, the amount of stuff will pop up surrounding Ravel Morrison. It has been quite interesting reading, listening to some of the conversation, just to hear what other persons are thinking about the situation. So, at the point of it, I'll be discussing Ravel Morrison this morning. And quite an interesting topic because there is something quite interesting happening today surrounding Ravel Morrison. I'll be discussing that a little bit from now. Anyways, before getting the detail, let's do the YouTube stuff and a little promotion. First, let's get to the promotion. MG Sports, Knockins MG Sports 1v1 tournament. When the sound of baller, when the sound of skills, come out and can showcase that skills for a chance to win easily $20,000. Easily. Once you know you're good enough, easy cookie that for you. But I say you know work for you, but come on, you say a baller. It's not supposed to easy. I be a big belly man like me when I come back up and we can't run and can't have 2 left foot. Easy 20,000 that. May I tell you. It will be taking place at Kick It Turf, August the 10th, that's this Saturday, between the hours of 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. in the afternoon. If you're good enough, I can just do it. Maybe you can just win it fast and that. And we do a little round 6. You can win it fast and that, man. Very, very easy. But at the end of the day, let us see how this one proceeds. So let's get this going. Also, let's get the YouTube stuff out of the way. Please do hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you're here for the first time. Really appreciate it again. Now, first of all, let's touch on Ravel Morrison. Let's make it clear. Ravel haven't played any competitive football since 2022. That's a long time ago. But one thing for sure, he's consistently training. He's always training. Now, we all know that he finds it difficult in holding down a club. And that makes himself in the category of, risk. Put him in the category of a risk. And how football go right now in recent times, clubs don't want to take risks. But from my perspective, when I saw Ravel for the first time, I'm like, yo, hands down, baddest baller I've ever seen. Baddest baller. I tell you people, the way I manipulate the ball in movement on and off the ball, the things they went do. I say, oh, this youth, crazy talented. And I have yet to see Jamaica with another not a midfielder, player like that. Not Demari Gray, no Leon Bailey, no Bobby Reed, no Ethan Pinocchio. None of them as composed as him on the ball. None of them as technical as him on the ball. None of them can read the game like him. When you can't show any name on one showing at the back. I don't remember seeing that. Last time I can probably, McInnough. Probably Joe McInnough when I say in the region there. And left footer, Harbourview left footer. Jesus, I forgot the name, man. One of my favorite player, man. Left footer from Harbourview, man. Jermaine Hugh. Super smooth super technical on the ball. That is the level when me see Ravel Morrison, when me see him play with me 2 years. Like every time he touch the ball, I say, yo, when him find the space, oh him find the space, oh him find the pass, or him open up the channel there. And he makes it look so easy. But one thing for sure, his footballing ability has never been up for discussion. Never, because he's that good. It's the other aspects of him that people say, no, we can't work with him because of this, that, rated. Nonetheless, the big question is, would we want to see Ravel Morrison as a part of the squad in Steve McClaren's squad, playing one of the number 8 or number 6 position? Yes, he can play the number 6 position. We have seen him play it quite a few times for Jamaica. Being the deepest midfielder, receiving the ball from the centre back and progressing the ball. We have seen it. It's not new. Maybe you don't remember, but we have seen it. Go and rewatch some of the games we have played, especially the game we have played even in Jamaica with Ravel Morrison in the squad. We have seen it. Check out the games under Paul Hall, I would say. All right, so maybe Paul Hall saw the vision. So maybe Paul Hall saw the vision from that time, and you know we need to look up. I think we did lose some of the games them, so we probably never had a look on that per se. People are complaining, so why Ravel Morrison drops so deep to receive the ball? Because innately he wants to be on the ball. That's his nature. That's how he plays. No, the problem here is him not playing for such a long time, competitive football for such a long time. I 100% cannot build on a case for him to be a part of Steve McClaren's squad. I cannot. Unless we see him signing for a club in which, as I said, I'm going to discuss that a little bit later in the video. Unless we see him sign for a club and start and play some competitive football and look very, very good at that particular level, then we can say, you know what, fine, we can recall him. But until then, the training alone is not enough. We need to see him playing really competitive football before I personally can build a case for him. So for at this present moment, I cannot say I would want to see Ravel Morrison in the squad. No, as I said, people create arguments that keep a local camp consistently, have him train with the camp. That still won't be enough. He must be playing consistent football at a particular level for us to say, you know what, we can definitely drop him in the side because he's competitive, he's doing well, he's playing at this particular level consistently. So we can build a case on that. But for now, I personally, and I don't think anyone can actually build a case for him. Now, a lot of us can speak about how good he is when we remember him playing. I have to remember also that during those time period, he was playing competitive football. Not like now when he hasn't played any competitive football in such a long time period. Now, let's move on to the aspect of what he's doing right now. So, at this present moment, Ravel Morris is a part of the PFA 11. The PFA 11 is the free agent 11. They will be playing at Carrington. Is it Cardington or Carrington? My apologies, people, on that. That's Manchester United U21 team. A friendly versus Manchester United U21 team today. Maybe by this morning the game will be playing. And Ravel Morrison is a part of that squad. Which must have meant that he's putting himself out there to be seen by other clubs. If he would go on there and do well, we don't know. Because the possibility are, whenever the U21s are playing games, they always scouts roaming around and all these type of things. But the PFA 11 is a free agent, a squad full of free agents, about 18 players, free agents, who are looking at opportunity to be seen or get back into the game. So Ravel Morrison is one of them. He's 31 years old, you know, he's not gone yet, just 31. I think he has about 2-3 more seasons under his belt as a midfielder, and like I said, they depend on pace initially. His ball work, his footwork is what really carry him through. But I'm happy that he's putting himself back out there. That's a really good sign, which means that he wants to be back apart. He wants to be a part of football on the higher level, at the higher scale, and I wish him well where that is concerned. And I would love to see him back on the major platforms, watching him playing football. It would be really impressive to see that happen again. For me, player I love me, I tell him I rate him highly. I'm explaining to that trying to start that video based off of what I see first, and I say, yo, this you not just make it look easy. Everything easy. Everything. So it'll be interesting to see how that one panned out. But where Steve McClaren, and Ravel Morrison is concerned, where the Reggae Boyz at this current moment, where Ravel Morrison is concerned, it is a no for me until I see him back on the forefront and playing some competitive football. Then I can say, you know what, he's not ready. It's not my decision, it's Steve McClaren's decision, but from my perspective, it's a no. Unfortunately, until he can get back out there, and that's something that he's doing right now. So let us see how that one materialize. And it'll be interesting to see how that one materialize actually. Anyways, tell us what you think in the comment section, people. Really, really appreciate you guys spending the 10 minutes out there. Remember, MG Sports versus Knockins, MG Sports and Knockins, and Knockins and MG Sports 1v1 competition at Kick It Turf in Portmore on Port Henderson Road. August the 10th. Come turn out, come support. Definitely, let's see what you guys have to offer. Because see some skills. Games, live streaming, videoing, pictures, everything. Post on the socials, them, you know everything. It's a viral day for any viral moment. So let's see how that one go. Big up on yourself, people. Smash that button, hit subscribe button. Have a wonderful day. And God bless. We're out. Boom. Now I mean, blows and skirts, sir. Yo!